Echo? Is it yummy?
It's all yummy. I'm just cooking it. My mom.
You like cake?
Yes, cakes.
Don't play, eat it.
They. Mom, can you show me the TV they're playing? Okay?
No. There's no, there's no. It's not nice to play with the cake because the cake need to eat, not for play. Because you know what did I tell you?
Shut it. And then
That a lot of people don't have any food. Diba? Eat your apple. Oh, uy. Yummy. Darius, Open your mouth. What do you want?
no.
Apple? Nugget na, give na apple.
Mama, this is big for dark. This is mine.
Give Darius apple or salangga.
No.
Half. Give half. Give half. You want apple, Darius?
Mommy, Coco.
Oh, you get na apple in the ref, Darius. You want apple? Huh?